As a business specializing in supplying of steam directly for other businesses, for many years, Din Thanh Group has been supplying steam for Saigon Beer Alcohol Beverage Joint Stock Corporation with a steam distribution system, including one boiler with a capacity of 30 tons per hour main operation and one is 20 tons per hour boiler backup, using biomass as the main combustion fuel that has been installed to supply saturated steam for the Saigon Beer factory in Củ Chi.
Hơi biomass so sánh với cái lò hơi đốt truyền thống của đốt dầu và đốt các
In comparison with the oil-fired boiler and other boilers using fossil fuels, the biomass boiler has many advantages. It utilizes the waste materials of agriculture and forestry, which would previously pollute the environment. For example, before when wheat was harvested, the rice hulls pouring to the environment were very dirty. Although the system is thought to provide very good steam for the production of Saigon Beer factory, according to examination and evaluation of national experts, this system is not yet optimal in terms of energy efficiency. In the framework of the project Promotion of Energy-Efficient Industrial Boiler Adoption and Operating Practices in Vietnam of the Ministry of Industry and Trade and the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, or UNIDO, the experts of External Technology and Energy Joint Stock Company, or ETES, were sent by the Project Management Unit to the plant to conduct an assessment of the efficiency of a 30 tons per hour boiler operating on March 1, 2019. From the results of actual measurement and examination, experts found the flue gas temperature is acceptable because the boiler is equipped with an economizer and air preheater to utilize the waste heat. The oxygen content in the flue gas of the boiler is quite high, over 10%, which increases the stack loss of the boiler. The conductivity of the boiler blow-down water is quite high, 13,340 millisiemens per centimeter, which can lead to scaling inside the boiler, reducing heat transfer. The outside surface of the air preheater is not insulated. The surface temperature is measured to be around 90 to 95 degrees Celsius, causing heat loss to the environment. The feed water pipe, furnace doors, and valves on the steam heater are not insulated, also increasing heat loss to the environment. Based on the data collected through the evaluation process, the expert group proposed some energy-saving solutions such as adjusting the excess air coefficient for the boiler, installing an automatic blow-down, insulating the air preheater of the boiler, insulating the feed water pipe, the fire chamber flange, lock valve. After considering the energy-saving opportunities proposed by the expert team, based on the actual situation and capacity, the leaders of Din Thanh Group decided to adjust the combustion mode of the boiler to reduce the excess air. After adjusting the oxygen content in the flue gas from 10.09% to 7%, covering and insulating the entire steam pipeline system, increasing the insulation thickness from 50 millimeters to 100 millimeters, insulating the equipment that utilizes heat at the rear of the boiler, and insulating feed water tank of the boiler. In parallel with the implementation of the above solutions, the Steam Supply Workshop also incorporates other solutions to enhance the efficiency of the steam system, ensuring stable operation and reducing the impact on the environment, such as installing a secondary economizer, installing a steam accumulator, repairing and improving the fuel feeding system from one supply lines to two supply lines, and increasing the flow and pressure of fuel feeding blower into the combustion chamber, installing a cloth back dust filter. The above results of the simultaneous implementation of the combined solutions above are: boiler efficiency increased from 73% to 77.36%. The amount of biomass fuel or chipped wood saved is 993.61 tons per year, equivalent to saving costs of about 1.3 billion Vietnamese dongs per year. CO2 emissions reduced by 1,440 tons per year. The total cost of implementing the solutions is 4,280 billion Vietnamese dongs, so the payback period is estimated to be about 3.3 years. When using this technology, customers save 30% of the cost of steam. If firing fuel oil, the cost of steam is 1.5 million Vietnamese dong per ton. When they purchase our steam, the cost is 1 million Vietnamese dong per ton. We help customers to save energy and reduce the cost of products in competition with the surrounding market. The Saigon Beer Factory Company, Củ Chi, is just one of many businesses that have received support from the project Promotion of Energy-Efficient Industrial Boiler Adoption and Operating Practices in Vietnam. The main objective of the project is to reduce energy consumption and greenhouse gas emission through promoting the adoption and operation of energy-efficient boilers, or EE, in industry in Vietnam. The project has been conducted by the Ministry of Industry and Trade in coordination with the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, or UNIDO, in the period from November 2015 to December 2020. After 5 years of implementation, the project has brought the total annual energy savings and greenhouse gas emissions reduction, or GHG, at an estimated almost 3 million GJ, equal to 68,703 tons of oil equivalent TOE, and almost 500,000 tons of CO2, which corresponds to $19 million in energy savings. The project is designed to have 3 components. Component 1, focusing on improving the policy and regulatory framework to support the boiler standardization. Component 2, raising awareness and strengthening capacity for government agencies and users, industrial enterprises, energy consulting firms, financial banking institutions, suppliers, producers of boilers, and other stakeholders. Component 3, financing and implementation of energy-efficient industrial boiler adoption and manufacturing projects. Within the framework of the project, many activities have been carried out in each component, which have led to a lot of noteworthy results. The results of Component 1, the revised standard TCVN 8630, 2019 on boilers' energy efficiency and method of determination was issued at the end of 2019 and came into effect in January 2020. The revised TCVN 12728/2019 Standard on Boilers, Technical Requirements for Design, Construction, Installation, Utilization, and Repair was issued at the end of 2019 and came into effect in January 2020. In coordination with the Vietnam Association of Science and Technology for Economical and Efficient Use of Energy, the Ministry of Industry and Trade organized the competition Highest Energy Efficient Products in 2020, applied to industrial boilers, refrigerators, water heaters, and LED lights. Energy-saving product competition included industrial boilers. The award ceremony for this competition was held in December of 2020. The industrial boiler database, including information about energy, was completed in August 2018. Guidelines on implementation of funds, loans, and tax schemes to support industrial boiler efficiency improvements has been completed. One of the most outstanding results of the project is having focused on reviewing the standard for minimum energy efficiency and standard on technical requirements in the design, construction, and utilization of boilers, thus making recommendations for improving the Vietnamese regulations and standards regarding boilers. On December 31, 2019, the two standards were TCVN 12728-2019 Boilers, Technical Requirements for Design, Construction, Installation, Utilization, and Repair, and TCVN 8630-2019 on Boilers, Energy Efficiency and Method of Determination has been issued by the Minister of Science and Technology. This is a reference document system for enterprises to manufacture high-energy efficient boilers, which can save energy and reduce emissions into the environment and encourage industrial enterprises to use energy-efficient boilers. This set of standards has helped boiler manufacturers form a legal basis to produce boilers in accordance with Vietnam's regulations, overcoming the basic difficulties of boiler manufacturing enterprises in the past.
Bộ tiêu chuẩn cũ 7704-2007.
The old set of National Standard 7704-2007 has been issued for a long time. Many necessary technical requirements are lacking, while the current technology of material manufacturing and inspection has advanced with a very long step compared with the time of old standards issuing. The old standards are no longer relevant. The old set of National Standard 8630-2010 on boiler efficiency evaluation requires using only the direct method. This method takes a lot of time to run, so it is difficult to hand over and commission the boiler. Thanks to the new set of standards, boiler manufacturing enterprises such as Vietnam Boiler Joint Stock Company no longer have to consult the foreign standard documents when manufacturing boilers, as well as do not encounter difficulties when conducting the boiler inspection and registration of standards at the authority agencies in Vietnam.
Quy trình để mà đánh giá được cái hiệu suất lò hơi.
The procedures of boiler efficiency evaluation are now more strongly regulated than the old standard. Therefore, businesses and inspection agencies have a better basis to evaluate the boiler efficiency. This makes it possible for the boilers to be manufactured in the future, not only considering the safety when designing and manufacturing, but also required to pay the attention to energy efficiency.
Mà nó còn bắt buộc phải quan tâm đến vấn đề tiết kiệm năng lượng.
Component 2 of the project aims to raise awareness and strengthen capacity for government agencies, end users, industrial enterprises, energy consulting firms, and financial banking institutions, suppliers, producers of boilers, and other stakeholders. This component has conducted many activities, such as organizing workshop and implement information dissemination and communication sessions to raise awareness of the economic and environmental benefits of adopting and operating the energy-efficient boilers, and conducting a series of training courses about strengthening technical capacity for stakeholders, marketing to raise awareness.
Hệ thống tiêu chuẩn hóa nồi hơi công nghiệp thì dự án của chúng tôi đã hỗ trợ.
Regarding the industrial boiler standardization system, the project has supported the revision and promulgation of two important standards. One is the technical requirement for design, construction, installation, utilization, and repair. The second is the energy efficiency and method of determination. Besides, the project has carried out many activities to build capacity and raise awareness for businesses. The project also collaborated with business partners to successfully implement 10 demonstration projects on boiler efficiency improvement and 5 projects to replace old low-efficient boilers with energy-efficient boilers or biomass boilers. In addition, we also dispatch experts to assist businesses with boiler replication and replacement projects. As a result, 149 enterprises have implemented solutions to improve boiler efficiency, and 67 businesses have replaced low-efficient boilers with energy-efficient boilers. By the end of 2020, the implementation of Component 2 activities has brought about the following specific results: 216 energy managers, boiler workshop managers, 13 women, accounting for 6%, from 122 industrial enterprises attended the awareness-raising workshops. 80 national experts from energy service companies and energy conservation centers of provinces and cities attended the awareness-raising workshops. 46 bulletins or articles on the project activities and related technical content have been published on electronic newspapers and on the project website. 3 television programs have been carried out. The project has completed training courses on life cycle assessment, boiler efficiency evaluation techniques, and best boiler operating practices accordingly for end users, energy consultants, energy service companies providers, and boiler providers manufacturers, and technical capacity on EE boiler manufacturing practices for boiler manufacturers. 63 energy consultants and 169 technical specialists from industrial enterprises attended the training courses on life cycle assessment and boiler efficiency evaluation techniques. 333 boiler operators from 173 industrial enterprises, 49 boiler designers and business persons from 30 local boiler manufacturers attended training on boiler efficiency improvement solutions. 9 boiler designers from 6 local boiler manufacturers have attended the boiler design software usage training. 15 staff from inspection centers organizations attended the boiler efficiency evaluation techniques trainings. 21 company managers, business staff from 10 local boiler manufacturers providers sent their staff to attend the training on the development of business and marketing strategy. 6 local boiler manufacturers providers have been assisted in the development of business and marketing plans for EE boiler promotion. 23 credit staff from financial banking institutions and 26 local consultants attended the training on financial analysis of EE investment projects.
Qua buổi hội thảo này được tiếp cận với các tiến sĩ của các trường đại học lớn, Đại học Bách khoa Hà Nội.
Through this workshop, we approached some PhDs in prestigious universities such as Hanoi University of Technologies and technical staff of the project. We found that the content and knowledge of lectures bring great value to us. We acquired a new method to operate the boiler more efficiently.
Tôi đã nhận thức được là những cái kiến thức của các thầy là đã cho chúng tôi nhận thấy là cách tiếp cận để mà làm sao cho cải tạo được cái nồi hơi nó hiệu quả.
Dự án đã hỗ trợ cho được 3 cái đối tượng này. Thứ nhất là cái đối tượng là sử dụng nồi hơi công nghiệp.
The project has supported 3 target groups. The first is the users of industrial boilers, supporting them to improve their operating capacity, optimize their thermal and steam systems in their businesses, helping them to prepare energy efficiency investment projects and have access to available financial sources to invest in energy-saving projects. The second is local boiler manufacturers. The project has supported them to improve their capacity of designing, manufacturing, and provide them with the international software to design advanced standardized boilers. The project helps them in the development of business and marketing agencies in order to help their boilers business go to efficient direction and sustainable way, as well as to increase the market share of high energy efficient boilers. Thirdly, for enterprises or companies are providing services on energy audit or boiler efficiency evaluation, the UNIDO project has helped to provide a relatively comprehensive support. We highly appreciate the practicality and effectiveness of the project.
Hỗ trợ này mà chúng tôi đánh giá rất là cao cái tính thiết thực cũng như là cái hiệu quả triển khai của dự án.
Component 3 of the project focuses on providing financial assistance and implementing projects on boiler efficiency improvement, as well as the project on replacement of low-efficiency boilers or fossil fuel-fired boilers with high-efficiency boilers or biomass-fired boiler. The project selected enterprises using high-frequency boilers with significant energy-saving potential to evaluate boiler efficiency and recommending solutions to improve boiler efficiency, thus helping to improve the efficiency of boilers, replacing previous low-efficiency boilers with new higher-efficiency boilers or with ones using biomass fuel. Thereby, the project forms demonstration models, case studies for other businesses to learn and share experiences.
Trước đây đốt than đá thì chúng tôi có thể là bỏ ra với 100%.
Previously, when burning coal, we would have to spend 100% for production of 1 ton of steam. Now it is only 60% to compare with previous one. We have reduced the cost of steam production by 40%.
Đã được giảm đi là tới 40% giá thành.
As such, businesses have gained combination benefits from the project, not only saving energy and production costs. The most important thing is that businesses have improved energy management capacity in the enterprise and improved knowledge about energy-efficient boilers. These are necessary and sufficient conditions for businesses to always use energy efficiently in the present and in the future. According to the UNIDO project's terminal report, by the end of 2020, the project has completed the implementation of 10 demonstration projects on the best boiler operating practice and 5 demonstration projects on replacing old boilers with new energy-efficient boilers. In particular, the project provided technical assistance to implement solutions to improve boiler efficiency at 149 enterprises and conducted the replacement of old low-efficiency boilers with higher efficiency boilers or boilers using fossil fuels, with ones using biomass in 67 enterprises.
Boiler demonstration and investment projects and operational improvements, the project contributed energy savings of around 2.9 million gigajoules per year and a reduction of 487,000 tons of CO2 equivalent, thereby making industries more competitive and less carbon intensive. With 2 boilers national standards effectively promulgated, strong capacity built at the market end, result-based demonstration projects.
In order to ensure that the project's impacts are continued in a sustainable manner in the upcoming time, it is essential to have follow-up action programs by the Ministry of Industry and Trade. According to statistics, energy consumption in the industrial sector accounts for more than 47% of total energy consumption in Vietnam. According to the evaluation of energy experts, the technical potential to save energy in the industrial sector in Vietnam is from 20 to 30%, even up to 40% in some areas. To achieve this level of energy saving, Vietnamese enterprises need more financial support projects as well as energy saving knowledge, aiming towards the sustainable development of each industrial enterprise and playing an important role in the sustainable development of Vietnam's economy.